Hey, in this week's video, we're going to be jumping into the Canva Video Editor 2.0. It's their updated version of their video editor, and it is absolutely incredible, especially for the price that you're paying. So without further ado, let's jump into this product. Listen, on this channel, we are passionate about finding the tools necessary in order to help us redeem our time so we can get back to doing what's most important, and that's being with people. And we believe that Canva is one of those tools that helps us redeem our time. And the huge thing is their new video editor is linear now. And what does that mean? Well, if you look at things like Premiere Pro or DaVinci Resolve, they have this timeline looking format on how they edit video where they can put different layers on top of it. You can do that in Canva now. We're going to jump into it real quick. I'm going to show you how quick you can put together a video and show you a couple quick tricks so you can get started using this video editor today. So here on the Canva dashboard, we actually have a button right here for video. If you click this button, it'll actually ask you what type of video you're wanting to make. And let's just pretend like we're making a standard 16:9 video that we would show during service, or maybe like a testimony video or something like that. So we'll go into here. And just like anything that we create in Canva, we have design, we got elements, we have text, brand, all that kind of stuff. You can go in here and actually find templates that are actually existing, and you can build from there. Or you can do layouts that helps you like create like agenda slides and stuff. And then they have styles that you can go in here, and once you set everything, you can hit the style and then it'll change it for you. But what I'm going to do for us today is actually show you how to create something from scratch. So let's pretend like we have a couple like talking head videos. So the easiest way we can do that is to go to elements, and we're just going to pretend like the video that we grab is maybe a video of a pastor talking or something like that. But in the meantime, we're going to grab, let's do this one here. Guy talking into a camera, typically something you'd see like a pastor doing. So that works good there. And let's try maybe some like activism as well. People talking in the streets. Yeah, this is a pretty cool video here. I'm going to trim that down there. And let's just start with that. Let's just start there. So let's say, you know, from the beginning here, you see you got your little timeline. You can add anything in here. You just saw that I dropped some elements into the timeline. You can always go here and add a blank. You can upload your own video. This is where you get the stock videos like I just looked up. You can add a blank. You can change the blank whatever color you want. You can hit your space bar or the play button and it'll play through the video here. Cut that down to where it's about this long. You can see that there's another layer up here. So if I were to actually go in here and want to add another video, I can actually add it to that top layer and put it on top. And now, look at this. You can do layers, which is incredible. And from what I've been able to tell, I mean, I really haven't pushed it to its limits, but I think you have like a pretty good amount of layers that you can put on top. So you can really get to editing really well in this new timeline, which is huge. Hey, real quick, I'm going to take a second to let you know about something that's going to be happening at the very beginning of the year. I am dropping my very first masterclass on how to do communications in a church setting in a way that redeems your time. You'll be getting a deep dive into my brain with multiple systems and processes on how I redeem my time during the week, so that way I can be a better steward of the time that I have, or the little time that we all have. I know that you got into ministry not to do admin, not to sit behind a screen. I believe that we are made for people, not pixels. With this masterclass, you are going to be able to take some of these practices and build off of them, so that way you can begin redeeming your time as well. It's going to be so simple for you to get access to it. It's going to be here on this YouTube channel, so you don't have to give me an email address or anything like that. All you have to do is hit subscribe on this channel and turn on the bell notifications, because it will notify you the moment that video goes live. You can get there other ways, but this is going to be the fastest way you can get the content. So go ahead, hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell notifications. It's coming out at the beginning of the year, and I want you to start off 2026 on the right foot. Now, let's get back to the content. But I'm going to show you some quick tips on how to create some fast things and some tips and tricks that I've already started using in this program. So let's say here at the beginning of this video, it shows the person talking, and then it has like a title slide come up. Let's build a quick title slide. Let's actually go to Tools and grab a shape. And we're just going to say this square here. Stretch it out to be the size of the video. And we're going to say it comes in a little bit later in the video. So you can use this down here to zoom into the actual video itself. And then you can use, you have to click this. This zooms on the video. This zooms in on the timeline. So let's go in here. Let's line this up with the end of the video. Perfect. And what I want to do is actually create a transition piece to make the video, this piece come in. So we can actually go to animate and we'll do blur. So as you can see, when it comes in, we got a blur, but now it's covering up the whole video. So let me go in here and pick a color that I would much rather enjoy to have on here, like an orange, and set the opacity down or transparency down to about here. And now when it comes in, you'll see it just overlays on top of the video. Perfect. And then let's put some text on here so we can actually add text. And look at that, it drops it on top of the video as well. And then we can edit the text here. Maybe we'll just say video title here. You can edit it just like anything else in Canva. So you can grab it, drop it right here in the middle of the video. I'm gonna bold it. We're gonna all caps the whole thing. And then probably change the color to where you can see it a little bit better on the video. Perfect. I wanna size it up just a little bit more to where it fills out the screen. And then we want to add a animation for this one as well. So we'll go to animate and let's look through these animations. So that's a pretty nice one. It's okay. These are all pretty good. That one's fun. Let's grab that one. We just wanted to come in on the entrance and same thing as the background. So now let's go back and watch it. Boom. Incredible. See how fast you can go ahead and start editing videos here in Canva. So next trick I'm going to show you. You know how when you see some videos and you see some text pop up behind the person like this? Well, normally in things like Premiere Pro, that takes a lot of time. You have to create masks and layers and all that kind of stuff. I'm going to show you how you can do it real quick in Canva without doing all the difficult things like masking. Let's jump back into the video here. The easiest way to do this is you're going to actually want to make a double of this video. Come over here and paste it like that. And then you're going to want to put it on top, but you want to put it above the video. Not entirely. There we go. You want to put it on top of the video like this, but leave a gap in between it. And then you want to come in and actually take this video and let's go ahead and add our text here. We'll copy it and paste it up underneath. And see, right now you can't see the text, but if I actually grab this top video, and as long as it's the exact same video copied and pasted, they should be in time with each other. All you should have to do is click that top video and hit background remover. Now, as you can see, it's a little weird here. Canva has some timing issues, especially when it's trying to buffer the video. This is where some of the limitations comes in. With like Premiere Pro, you're using your computer's graphics processor. Canva, you're using their graphics processors. But just know when you export the video, it does look fine. But we can play through it a couple times so you can see it here. So as you can see, it's pretty good so far, and we'll export it so you can actually see it once it's been rendered. But for the most part, kind of looks good. It's a little syncing problem, but that's okay. We will get that fixed here in a minute whenever we export the video itself. So we've added some video elements and everything else like normal. Any animated elements that you would normally use in Canva, like under graphics, you can always grab these graphics and add them to your video as well. So like if you're wanting to point something out in the video, you can add that to your timeline. So let's say you wanted a few of those. Let's actually add them all on top of each other. Look at that, we're already up to like what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 layers. We're working out pretty good, great so far. We're gonna line these up like this. Perfect. And now, so you can do a lot of stuff with this video editor and use all the elements that you normally use in your other programs. And so if you wanted to, you can obviously go over to your brand here as well and hit your brand colors and start cycling through them to really get the video to match your brand itself. So as you can see, this is a pretty good start for getting it to match your brand. Pretty cool, yeah. And then we can add audio. So there's a couple things that you can do as far as adding audio. You can go in here and record a voiceover, which would be simple as doing this. Here is a video with a test audio being recorded in Canva. As simple as that. I can go back, hit play. Here is a video with a test audio being recorded in Canva. Perfect. So you can do that. You can go back here to add audio and do generated voice AI. So they sound like this.
Did you know emus and kangaroos cannot walk backward?
Did you know emus and kangaroos cannot walk backward?
Did you know emus and kangaroos cannot walk backward?
Did you know emus and kangaroos cannot walk backward?
Great, so you can actually go in here and say that. Hit generate AI voice. It will generate it for you. And then let's say it's going to happen right here in the video whenever the text pops up.
Video title here.
Perfect. Same thing. We'll grab another voice, do the same generation.
Video title here.
Great. And then let's say, well, I wanted some music on here too. Do I only get one video channel? No. So let's go to audio real fast. And I need to find one that's royalty free so that way I don't get a copyright strike here. I don't know if any of these are royalty free, I'm gonna be honest. This one says YouTube, so maybe that means it's copyright free for YouTube. Cool, let's grab that. And so we can drop the music down in this timeline. And now we have music, we have voiceover, and I can actually go in here, change the volume down to where it's underneath the talking like this. So I can actually go in here now that I've balanced it out. I've got the audio for the video turned down a little bit. The voices are here. Let's test it out real quick in Canva just to get a quick idea of what it looks like, and then we'll bounce it out.
Video title here.
Video title here.
Looks good. And then you can go in here, go to share, download. Download as an MP4. It'll download the video for you, and then I will pull it up on screen so we can watch it in full resolution. Okay, and then here is the fully rendered video after we've exported it from Canva.
Video title here.
Video title here.
Boom. Looks great. So as you can see, editing video in Canva is incredibly easy. And if you are a church or nonprofit looking to use this, you can actually get Canva, the whole entire suite, absolutely for free if you are a registered nonprofit. I'm going to put a video together like that in the future, but if you are interested in checking it out in the meantime, you can find some more information about it on Google or on the Canva platform in itself. So not only can you create graphics and sheets and Word documents and emails, you can also use Canva as your video editor, especially if you're just putting together simple announcement videos. I encourage you, use this as a tool to redeem your time so you can get back to doing what's most important, being with people. And we didn't jump into any of the AI capabilities of Canva in this video, but I know a lot of you that are watching this channel right now have come to my content in order to learn how to redeem your time, whether that's through Canva or using AI tools. And if you're looking to find ways to get AI implemented into your ministry today, I've got a quick resource that you can get right now by just going to my description below. It is my free ebook called Redeem Your Time. It's 3 simple steps to getting AI started in your ministry today. And I promise you, you can actually implement them right now and you will start to see the ripple effects today. I'm not joking. It's completely true. You will start to see the results within 24 hours. So if you're interested in starting that journey, go down into the description below, download that free ebook that I made just for you. And hey, I recently put together a whole entire video showing you how to create a marketing strategy through Canva for your church. All you have to do is check out this video right here and I explain everything in detail. I'll see you guys over there.